Task prioritization tools versus project scheduling software. Which one is better for productivity? Most people get this wrong by assuming that any project tool automatically boosts productivity. The surprising truth is that task prioritization tools and project scheduling software serve very different purposes, and choosing the right one can make a huge difference in how effectively you manage work. Task prioritization tools, like Todoist Asana or Priority Matrix, help individuals and teams decide what to focus on first. They let you categorize tasks by urgency, importance, or deadlines, and provide visual cues so nothing slips through the cracks. For example, a marketing manager can use a prioritization tool to identify critical campaign tasks versus lower impact items, ensuring high-value work is completed first. These tools are perfect for boosting personal or team efficiency and keeping priorities clear in fast-paced environments. Project scheduling software, such as Microsoft Project, Smartsheet or Rike, focuses on planning, coordinating, and tracking timelines across a full project. They handle dependencies, allocate resources, and provide Gantt charts or timelines for visualizing project flow. For instance, in a team launching a new system can use scheduling software to plan every milestone, assign tasks, and monitor deadlines, ensuring the project stays on track. Scheduling tools excel when multiple tasks, teams, and deadlines are involved and need detailed coordination. The key difference is depth versus focus. Task prioritization tools emphasize what matters most right now, helping teams and individuals tackle high-priority work efficiently. Project scheduling software provides a comprehensive overview of an entire project, managing complexity, timelines, and resource allocation. The takeaway is simple: if your goal is to increase personal or team productivity by focusing on the right tasks first, task prioritization tools are your best choice. If your priority is managing complex projects with multiple dependencies, schedules, and resources, project scheduling software is essential. The surprising truth is that many successful teams combine both, prioritize daily tasks while keeping an eye on overall project timelines for maximum productivity and project success.